my name is Taya and welcome to Preston Audi. Today I'll be talking about this approved used Audi Q2 S and S tronic finished in the modern Daytona Grey Pearl Effect paintwork. This 2024 model comes with a TFSI engine and automatic transmission, ideal for those wanting to cover extra miles. The top features include the striking LED headlights for great visibility, large 18-inch alloy wheels, rear privacy windows, electric folding wing mirrors, sleek badging around the entire vehicle including S-Line and Q2 badging, and this is all topped off with front and rear parking sensors paired with a rear parking camera for awkward manoeuvres. This is alongside an electric tailgate that reveals a spacious 405 litre boot capacity for all your travel essentials. Moving inside, you'll be greeted with the illuminated front door sill trims with the S logo, along with a Sonos 3D premium sound system for you and all your passengers to enjoy clear, crisp audio. Moving into the rear, you'll find a luxurious part leather trim for that premium look and feel. The front houses the multifunctional leather steering wheel, complemented with a classy passenger dashboard, a large central display, and S-embossed front part leather seats. The steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the virtual cockpit screen, including vital driving data, audio and telephone connection, and even a full view display of the built-in navigation system. The cruise control and speed limiter features are also available to assist out on the open road. Moving across, the large central display houses similar options, including various radio and telephone connection and navigation for assisted travels. You can also access Audi Drive Select, which offers a range of driver modes to suit you. You can also view the reversing camera when manoeuvring the vehicle. Just below, the dual zone climate control offers a personalised temperature to meet you and your passengers' needs, with optional heated front seats that are also available. This is alongside the central console that features central cup holders, a central armrest, and a hidden wireless charging pad. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video at all. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.